Hello and welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to solve error messages when you are downloading your orders. For example, this is a sample order. So if I click on download, see the button is not working, or there might be some error message there in this section. So let's see how we can resolve it. First, we need to right click and click on inspect, and then we click on the select an element button, and then we click here. After that, you see this line has been highlighted, and when we double click on this line and scroll down, you'll see another command line with href in the beginning. So we click on that, and here we untick display. So now we click on resend to order server for process. So after we click that, we can see that the file has been resent to the server for reprocessing. So after completing this task, we wait for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we will be able to download the order. So this is how you get rid of error messages in your order download page. Have a nice day.